from the weekly time frame. Let's do it. I want to see something here. All right. On the weekly time frame, well, it doesn't tell us much. It tells us, the only thing it tells us is that we got structure forming here. Low, high, higher, low. So let's see if that structure holds. If market continues up, the bias is up from here to keep the structure, so to say. But we don't have enough information to see if the structure will really hold. But that's on a weekly time frame, so everything that happens there will take a lot of time. But when we go to the daily time frame, what do we get? So we have this sequence here. And on this small swing that we just, or the smaller swing that we just measured. We have a perfect confluence here. So this level is very important, and therefore we're going to mark this level out because we don't want to keep all these lines. So we're going to mark this level out. Yeah. And also something that we see directly is this. Now look at this. Market comes up, bounces up, comes to the sweet spot zone here. It's respecting this trend line, as you see very nicely. Comes to the sweet spot zone here. Tries to break above, comes back down, and is now testing it. All right. What does that mean for us? That means for us that we have a buy or sell opportunity brewing right now. I'm looking for a buy, to be honest. Why? Because we have this trend line here, the structure forming. So basically what we're looking for now is this move to continue. All right. So next move would be into this supply zone that we have here. So I'm looking for a buy from here, and that buy would be from up here. But what are we always waiting for before we enter a buy is the breakout. Of course, we need to have the breakout, and then we want to retest. We want to see the market come back down and test this level as support. All right. If that happens, we have a perfect buy opportunity. So this can happen basically anytime today because we're not far away from this level now. And because it's EURUSD, it means half of the market is basically already awake because the London session has started. We will definitely see a lot more volatility when the New York market opens. But right now, it is what it is, and we're just gonna wait for this market to break through, for the price to break through this level, come and retest it as support. Then we're entering a buy, and that buy, I would put it all the way here. Because here we got massive resistance up here. So a couple of take profits along the way. But I'm calling it out in the Telegram channel. When it's time, I will monitor it. Let's see if we got some confluence with the EMA. Yeah, EMA is showing support. That's basically it. On the daily time frame, on the 4-hourly time frame, on the hourly time frame, on the 15-minute. EMA is showing a lot of support, even on the 5-minute time frame. Crazy. All right, so this is what we're looking for.